everybody, it's your boy Jordan Stamina. As you guys can see, we have a lot of shoes around me. My legs are cramping, but before we get into that, hit that subscribe button and smash the like button because we've got a lot of shoes here that we have cooked right now. As you guys know, a lot of these have been re-releasing, restocking, shock dropping. It's been an absolute crazy time, but shout out my boy, it's our MHD, who has also been helping me cook these. He's also behind the camera as well. So check this out, guys. We have so many different pairs. I'm going to be talking about them more in the video right now, so let's get into it. Ooh, as you can see too, you know, just busted out the bread toes. First off, I'm going to start off by saying that we cooked 10 pairs of the Nike Dunk Low Marina Blues. Check this out, guys. I definitely think this is going to be a sneaker that people are going to be sleeping on. And also, this is a shoe that Nike definitely won't re-release. Hopefully I'm wrong, but I can't see this re-releasing. It's one of those sneakers that I think they're just gonna drop, move on. It's gonna be more of like if you know sneaker, you know? So that's what it's gonna be like that. As you can see, it came with the white laces, but if you have not checked out my review for this sneaker right here, it's gonna be in that card right there. So check that out. So we cooked 10 pairs of these right here, 5 for me, 5 for Aria. Look at that, that's crazy. So next, as you can see, we have a pair of green toes, which, by the way, we also cooked this the same day. We literally went to a Nike store. They were just randomly did it, and it's funny because me and Ari were like, you know what, let's move on to the next small. Gut feeling was like, let's go back to Nike. These just dropped along with the reverse Jordan 1 mids, the Chicago colorway. We ended up getting these two, and they had the Valentine's one as well, but I definitely think the green toe was more comparable. This sneaker definitely is gonna go up over time, and I feel like, you know, people are gonna want this later on. We ended up cooking at least 3 pairs of these, so we have 1, 2, and 3. Not bad at all. Over here, as you can see, we have more bread toes. I busted one out. We have the Jordan 1 low bread toes. Again, I have a review on these two. Same with the green toes. But in my opinion, I definitely think this is gonna be a long-term hold. This shoe is gonna be a shoe that people are gonna regret not buying right now. Is this a sell or hold?
Do not sell!
So yeah, check this out. We got 4 pairs. I just sold a grade school pair actually, so you know, that's sold, but we do have the men's pairs right now. Now, a new sneaker that just released yesterday, we have the Jordan 3 Cardinals. This sneaker in hand is absolutely like a really nice shoe. Now, let me know in the comments down below, is this a deal breaker with the yellow Jumpman? You prefer another color, but honestly, I feel like the sneaker looks really dope. Aria cooked the men's size. Check that out. This sneaker, honestly, I think it's gonna be a really great shoe to match with your partner. Not to mention as well, be a long-term hold. But I also did sell my Cardinals as soon as I got them, so shout out to the buyer who bought them because honestly, it's a great shoe. Didn't sleep. This, honestly, I've just been holding this. We have the Jordan 1 bread patent leather. I didn't cook these recently, but I just want to show you guys. We still have this pair right now too. If you guys have been following the journey to LA, well, this is where we got it. And you're just going to see there that this video was really fun to do. So I got this for a good price, and this is really dope. Now, another sneaker that we did end up cooking was the Marina Blues right here. I personally wanted a personal pair for this. This is a grade school pair. This is already being sold, by the way, as well. This sneaker, I feel like, is going to be a long-term hold too. Like, they're not doing too well right now, but I guarantee you this is going to be a sneaker that people are going to sleep on too. So, you know, shout out to the homies who hooked this up. So as you can see, we got more Panda Dunks right here. Shout out to the homies who were hooking me up with these as well. We have the 10.5. This sneaker is also sold too. Shout out to my boy Amar who bought this off me. Shout out to you, man. I know you're gonna watch this, but you know, we got dunks. By the way, Panda Dunks are such a good dunk to either sell now or hold. This is just a sellable dunk. Like, if you guys are gonna get your hands on these, this is definitely a shoe that is just such an easy sell. Black and white, goes with literally everything. Can't go wrong with it, man. We also got the women's pair. We also have a women's dunk high too. Shout out to my girl Vanita who just bought this as well. Freaking crazy. As you guys can see, now here's the thing. We also camped out for this sneaker right here. We ended up getting 2 pairs. We did not get the Harvest Moons, but we did end up getting the Venices. The Venices are actually a really nice color. As you guys can see, it's got like a very light, soft purple. So kind of reminds you of the Gray Fogs, but honestly in a woman's version. So we did manage to cook 2 sizes, and I definitely think this is going to be a hold as well. This I would not sell right away if you do get those in hand. I definitely think this is going to be a long-term hold because, man, look at the FogRays now. They are doing really well in terms of resale. They're also climbing up. I feel like they're going to go higher and higher. We got these Venices right here. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys were able to cop any of these sneakers that you see on screen right now. Now here's a sneaker that I just reviewed as well. We did end up getting 2 pairs of these. We have the McDonald's. No, I'm playing. We have the Midas Gold. Not a bad shoe. That's actually growing on me. And also shout out to my girl Mikael, who is also showing me how to style this shoe as well. Like, she gave me a whole different perspective. I'll put it on screen right there. Like guys, if that outfit isn't good for this sneaker, I don't know what is. It does go to show that the sneaker is definitely wearable if you can wear it with the right outfit and if your aesthetic is obviously there as well. We cooked these two pairs. This I feel like would go up over time, but if you guys can sell this for a decent price right now, I would say go ahead and sell it and move on. I can't see the sneaker going up like super high. A lot of random colorways have been shooting up in price too. So now having said that guys, I mean, as you can see, we are surrounded by sneakers right here. Honestly, it's been a really great time copying. Like Arya has been staying here for the week, and honestly, I think we've also been on a roll. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to turn on the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, also subscribe to Arya too, because like guys, we've been going on the same adventure. In 24 hours, if this video gets to 100 likes, we will go to LA and we'll literally do a live cop of the ticket of going to LA too. If you guys want to be on the journey with us to go to LA again, you guys gotta smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel as well. Turn on the notification bell and follow me on all my social media at TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram at Jordan Stamina. TikTok has been doing really well, so if you're in the city, if you want to do some collabs, hit me up, follow me, send me a message. Let's work and let's talk. Alright guys, this is Jordan Stamina. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.